Really is amazing. When I tried to do these all as one video, I could not get through it. Now I've had no problems going on to the fourth one. I cross my fingers and on wood, we'll get through this one. Okay, so it's got a proof set up here. It wants to know where Raphael made its mistake. So Raphael says this side to this side creates a ratio of 4/2, which is 2. He then says this side to this side also creates a ratio of 2, and those ratios are the same, all is perfect. And then he says, therefore, the triangles are similar. Well, seems perfectly fine, except for the fact that angle establishes similarity, not side, side. You actually need side, side, side for similarity, not just 2. So side, 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 just side, side isn't good enough. Okay, now we're wanting to talk about things that match up. Now again, this is going to be where I'm going to do one of my little sketchy things, because I think this helps a little bit. All right, what I always tell people in a picture like this is to draw your 3 triangles. So you got a little triangle sitting right like this, where this is a right angle. This is J, this is I, this is L, you got the little one. Then you got the middle-sized triangle sitting like this, where this is also J, this is K, and this is also L. And this is also a right angle. Now, the hard part is which angles match up. Okay, so what we want to talk about here is this angle right here doesn't match with this angle. This is not necessarily isosceles. This angle matches with this angle. And this angle matches with this one. So J are both at the right angle. So that one's correct. I doesn't go with K. I goes with L, and L goes with K. So I goes with L, and L goes with, and then J goes with itself. J goes with J. L on this triangle goes with that K. Again, if we go back to our picture, this L goes with that K. This I goes with that L. Last one. Okay, we're completing the proof. They say 9 is to 6. 9 is to 6. That 6 is to 4. That's correct. So what they're going to then say is that SU over WU, SU over WU equals TU over VU. That's what we're looking for, because you're just substituting. And it's 1.2, 1 comma 2 means you're using statements 1 and 2 to make that statement. So this equals 1.5, this equals 1.5, so these have to equal each other. So now, how do we know that we have the angles being congruent? Why is angle TUS congruent to angle VUW? Well, they're vertical angles. They're directly across from each other at an intersection. And then, how do we know they're similar? Well, we have side, angle, side. We've got side, angle, side. Last question. What is the mistake again? Okay, so V equals itself. That makes sense. WU to ST. WU to ST. Those are the correct numbers. That reduces to 0.6 repeating. Okay. VU to VT. Okay, that's the mistake. Okay, VU is indeed 10, but VT should be 15. So the mistake is the length of VT is not 5. All right, other than the rational equations, like I said, which I already did a big, like 5 videos on that, that should be everything you need to talk about for quiz, that quiz 1 that was due Sunday night.